Okay, everyone. So basically, today I want to talk about the Docker rootless containers. So usually, I've been seeing a lot of tutorials and blog posts and ChatGPT, Cloudy, AI, generating a lot of default containers, right? Which are root, using root. The problem of using root is that you can do a lot of accidental stuff on in the container itself, and then will do attack and delete and mess up with your entire hosting, right? Your entire host. So yes, the way to go with Docker is certainly go without root. So there are some reasons why I'm gonna try to explain. So basically, privilege escalation risk, this in production is very serious, because if you're on different projects, if you have some special things on your server, everything will be accessed. Because if an attacker get access to your container, to your website, your shopware store, and it is like root access by default, it's already game over, because of the fact he can take the entire control of your system, not just the container itself, right? Which is a major thing. But you may ask yourself, okay, what about locally? Can I run root? I mean, that's also a problem. Why? Because you can just do, you can accidentally remove everything, right? RM, RF, everywhere inside your container. You think you're just doing RM is like ATC, but not ETC of the container, but ATC of your host, right? Of your computer itself. So you can mount incorrectly path. You can make a complete mess. But if you do not run as root, if you run rootless, this accidental damage is not going to be a thing, at least not in the major scale, right? And also, it violates the principle of least privileged. What is that? So basically, if you do not need root, which is you do not need root for PHP applications, shopware applications, whatever applications you run on web, most of it, you do not need the privilege for that. So you should give the least possible. That's the way to go. So that's very important to keep in mind. So yeah, that's pretty much what I had to say. So yes, make sure you go rootless, because going root, you may screw everything up. All right, have a good one. Bye.